Hi guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel IT for You. Today we are going to discuss how to download, install and configure Slack application into your PC. For this you need to follow the steps accordingly. Launch your preferred web browser, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now search for Slack download. Now click on the first link here, which is the official website of Slack. So, as you can see here, Slack's official website has been loaded here. On the Slack download page, click the download 64-bit button. This will download the Slack installer file, slacksetup.exe, to your computer. As you can see here, slacksetup.exe file is now downloading. Now here you can click on folder icon to locate the file where it is downloaded, or you can simply click on the file to run its setup. Here you can see the setup has been initiated. So, now here Slack application has been installed. Now here we are going to configure it. To configure Slack on your PC you need to click Sign into Slack button. It will launch a web browser and ask you to sign in with email account. Here I am going to log in it with my Google account by clicking on Sign In with Google button. Here you can simply enter your Google email address. Now click Next. Now enter the password. Then click Next. Now click on Continue button. Now here we got two options, create a workspace and try a different email. Here we are going to create a workspace. Click on Create a Workspace button. Now here, click on Create a Workspace button again. Now, here a pop-up appears, asking to open the new workspace in Slack application. Click on Open button, to launch the new workspace on Slack application. Here, Slack application is now launching new workspace. Now here it's asking for some information for the new workspace we are going to create. Here it is asking for the name of your company or team. We are going to enter name here. Now, click Next button. Here it is asking to add a profile picture against the profile name. We are going to skip it for now. Now click Next button. Now here it is asking to add the co-workers in your team. We are going to add a co-worker here. Click on Invite. Now click Next button. Now, here it is asking for the work we are currently doing. So, here I am providing a name IT Solutions. You can put any other name according to the category of your service or project. Now click Next button. Now here it is asking to choose a plan to get started. For now, we are going to start with free. Now click on Start with Free button. Now wait for a while until it gets configured the application. Now you can see here it has completed the configurations of the application, and now we are ready to start conversations, inviting the people to our workspace, etc. Here are few options available like DMS to check the direct messages from the co-workers. Activity tab shows all notifications of the workspaces. Here are few more options in the More tab. You can simply explore them. To enter the preferences of the application, you can simply click on your profile picture. Here you can see few more options. From here you can also update your status, as you can see fewer options are available for the reference. Now again click on your profile icon, and go to the Preferences tab. Here you can see a detailed setting of Slack application, which is on default configuration for now. You can simply change configurations from here according to your needs. It's a really good experience to use Slack application. Hope you liked the video. For more related videos, comment us on comment box, and must subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming videos.